Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to customize Slack's message deletion settings. This is your full guide for 2025, so let's get down to business. First, open Slack on your chosen device and click on your workspace name in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Workspace Settings. This is your control center for customizing your Slack experience, including message deletion settings. Now that we've done that, it's time to navigate to the Messages and Media tab. This is where Slack houses all its settings related to messages, including deletion. The reason we do this is to ensure we're tweaking the right settings and not accidentally altering something else. In the Messages and Media tab, you'll see the Message Deletion section. Click on it to reveal the different options. You can choose to allow everyone in your workspace to delete their messages or only workspace owners and admins. This helps us because it gives us the ability to control who can delete messages and thus maintain the integrity of our conversations. Next up, specify the time frame within which messages can be deleted. You can set it to any time or choose a specific duration like within 24 hours. Let me explain why this matters. Setting a limit on when messages can be deleted can prevent important information from being lost due to impulsive or accidental deletions. Once you've customized your settings, don't forget the final step. Click Save Changes. This is crucial because unless you save, your changes won't be implemented. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you click Save Changes, Slack updates its server with your new settings. And that's it. You've now customized your Slack's message deletion settings. Remember, these settings are workspace specific, so you'll need to repeat this process for each workspace where you want to change these settings. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made managing your Slack messages easier. Until next time, happy Slacking.